Working on this Cummins ISX 2250. It's got some codes 559. First we found the lift pump was not working. It only was putting out about 3 psi and it was blowing the fuse. After replacing the lift pump, the pressure went up to 14 psi and it was able to start without any starting fluid. Now I'm performing the fuel leak test, and as you can see, the fuel rail pressure measured is about half of the required by the ECM. Looking at our gauge, the low fuel pressure side of the fuel circuit is feeding enough pressure to the high pressure pump to be able to build the 29,000 psi that it's required. So at this point I'm going to remove the fuel pump head and inspect those plungers. Every time I do the high pressure fuel leak test, I also like doing the decay test. So while you're monitoring the fuel pressure, you're going to shut the key off and turn it right back on after the engine shuts off, and the measured fuel rail pressure should hold. On this one it dropped to negative 100 and something psi, so it has a decay problem as well. But we're gonna pull the head off because I think we're gonna have at least one bad plunger. That's why the fuel pressure only goes up to half of the commanded value. This is the fuel pump head that came off that truck, and this plunger here is completely gone. It doesn't hold any pressure. This is how it's supposed to be. Another thing you have to inspect is the rollers inside of the fuel pump body. I took these out and they're good. It's like a little camshaft inside. So we're gonna be replacing this head, and stay tuned for part 2 where I will be performing the same fuel rail pressure test and to show the results how they're supposed to be. Thank you for watching.